So this video I'm going to show how to repair a motherboard with bent CPU socket pins. I ended up modifying a Sony Action Cam by swapping the lens out so I can adjust it to see what I'm doing on a large monitor when I need to fix small components. Then I attached it to a microphone stand that's hanging from the ceiling so I can easily move it around my workspace. So what I'll do is move the camera into position and then adjust the lens while watching on the monitor, and then when it's in focus, I can begin doing whatever I need to do. For bent CPU pin repair, I like to use an old geometry compass that has an adjustable needle point leg so I can set it however works best for bending the pins back into place. So I will position the motherboard where I can clearly see the bent pin I want to fix, then use the needle on the end to adjust it until it looks uniform with the other pins. Then I just move the motherboard around and look for the next bent pin and adjust them all back one by one. It helps to twist the motherboard around so you can see the pins from different angles. Some may look uniform with the others until you see them from a different angle. So that is what I do after I think that I have the pin back in shape, and sometimes I'll realize it's not uniform yet after looking at it from a different perspective. And some pins I can clearly see are bent without the camera, so I will shape them back into place and then compare them with the others to make sure they look the same. So I will just go through and check each line for pins that look bent and fix them as best as I can, and double check each line of pins again from a different angle to make sure I didn't miss any. Then when I have the pins all looking uniform, I'll connect my peripherals, install memory along with a CPU and a temporary fan, and then boot the motherboard up to see if it works how it should. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.